Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, anything related to beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, fashion, anything related to beauty you will find in this channel. And my niche is drugstore. I create content around drugstore, makeup, all the affordable stuff. So if you want to know, some amazing drugstore recommendation, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. And without further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to do a drugstore makeup starter kit. So if you are a beginner, if you are getting into makeup, you might want to make a kit. So I have some awesome drugstore recommendation, as I usually prefer drugstore makeup. So if you want to know what are my picks for a makeup beginner kit, keep on watching. Okay, so first thing first, we need a primer if we want to make a beginner's kit. Honestly, if you have dry skin like I do have, we guys don't need primers. I think so if you have a good skincare, you can skip primer. But if you want to apply a primer, I have some recommendation. So first of all, we have the classic Blue Heaven, this mattifying one. A hot and humid climate, even if you will have a dry skin, you will have sweat. So I will recommend, this one for people who want a mattifying primer. So this is a silicone based, simple. If I will try to swatch it, nothing will come on. So yeah, that's it for this. I really like it. Okay, so the next product we have is the Mars Take a Glow Primer. Now, if you have dry skin, you will really love this one. So this one is in the shade Moon Glow. I really recommend this one. First of all, this has this pump-like packaging, which is really hygienic. And let me just show you. If I will swatch everything, this video will be a million times long because I have to go through a lot. So this beautiful glow, I will highly recommend this. If you have dry skin and if you want a primer, go for a dewy primer. Now, honestly depends on your need, whether you want it for a day-to-day basis, you want it for events, and of course your skin type. So I have 3 recommendations for you. So first of all, I have a skin tint. So this is the Insight Second Skin Foundation. It is a serum like foundation, very lightweight. You won't even feel that you have anything on it, and this barely has any coverage. It is like sheer coverage. It's like BB cream, so you can go for any BB cream also. My pick would be this legit looks like second skin, and I prefer this over BB creams. Now moving on to the next, we have this one. This is the classic Fit Me. Everybody knows that, everybody loves this. So mine is in the shade 230. If you are NC 35 to 40, my shades will work, and in this I have the shade number 3. So this is 230, and this would really is perfect match for me. So this is like medium to buildable, and I love the finish effect and the matte effect. This is a matte foundation, but I love it for those hot and humid days. Even with filming, I love the way this sits on my skin. Today I don't have any foundation. I have used just a concealer. I filmed this video, this look, but I forgot to even record it. So yeah. Okay, so next and last is this Insight foundation. This is their Stay Matte foundation. So this has this tube-like packaging like Fit Me. Fit Me, that one was mini. So this is the full product in this 30 ml, your standard foundation product. And this is oil-free, mattifying, full coverage foundation. So if you are looking for that properties in a foundation, go ahead. My shade is 01, and this is a perfect match. Everybody, whoever I have seen reviewing this, everybody loves it, but because it is such a good full coverage foundation. If you want full coverage matte, go for this one. So this is my love. This is the this is so reflective that it is not even visible. Yeah, this is the Lakme, yeah, from this angle, Lakme 95. I really love it. If you have dry skin, go try it. This has such a creamy effect. This is in my project pan also. I love it. The packaging is so pretty. This is a really good powder. Really it sets your makeup. It does not have that much coverage. It's like Fit Me. And by the way, my shade in Lakme one is, I think, natural or something. I will do mention. And this is the Fit Me Compact. I really love this. This is such a good, compact. And in drugstore, we don't get so many shades. Like Lakme will have 4 5 shades. This have 10 shades, so you will find a shade. Okay, so here are my top 3 recommendation for drugstore concealer. First is the infamous Swiss Beauty concealer. If you want full coverage, go for this one. So my shade in Swiss Beauty one is 4 and 5. I use both. They were fine, and both of them look good on me. So now my ultra favorite one is this Wet n Wild one. So Swiss Beauty one is extreme coverage. If you want a really high coverage one, go for Swiss Beauty one. If you want medium to medium buildable, maybe medium only. This is not full coverage. So this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus one. My shade is medium tawny. Really a perfect match for me. So if you are around my skin tone, this will be really perfect for you, and really good for your no makeup days where you want to just apply concealer. This is enough. Okay, so now my last recommendation for concealer would be this Pack Take Cover concealer. So this is also medium to buildable. It's almost, you can build it up to full coverage. And the reason I love it, first of all, the finish is really good with this concealer. The price point is decent. This is 500, but I got it for 400. But I really love it. Really love it. Really good. The shade is my shade is Birthday Suit. So I really like this, for glam looks. We need to give life back to our face, right? So we need a bronzer for it. So this is, my favorite one. This is the Wet n Wild contouring kit. And my next recommendation would be this Fit Me Compact. Again, I have this deeper shade and this works perfectly as a bronzer on me. I will highly recommend you. So for contour, if you want to contour for a beginner, a contour can be, a learning curve. I will definitely recommend you to buy an inexpensive one. This one is 80 rupees. This is the NY Bay contour stick. This is a really natural contour on me. So if you want to learn contour, so first of all, we have these Mist Clear blushes. So these get discounted, you guys, especially on Myntra. I saw them for like 200 rupees, which is such a great deal for these blushes. First of all, they have this beautiful imprint, and we are not talking about shades in this video. It is just me recommending you. So this is the shade. So the next one is the most long wearing blushes in my collection. This, even if you will wear a mask, this will stay, and I have worn it outside, and even with mask this stays. So it's a very long wearing blush. So this is by the brand Palladio. So yeah, this is a peachy nude. Yeah, from this angle you can see, but it is intensely pigmented. The pigmentation of these ones are intense, so you have to be a little careful. This is just 100 rupees blush. This is by the brand SFR, and this is in the shade Apricot Nude, and this is a very different formula. And this is the shade. It's a apricot nude, as the name suggests. If you're fair to medium, then this will look really beautiful on you. This is a little sheeny but not glittery, chunky at all. Really pretty within kind of. For cream blush, I love cream blushes. Just Herb Lip and Cheek Tint one. It is a little pricey, but you can check Smitten. There I got it for almost free. You have to pay shipping and you will get it for free. That's the best deal ever. Okay, let's talk about eyebrow products. That is the basic. Even if you don't do makeup, I will recommend you to use eyebrow products that instantly lifts your face. Okay, so this is my favorite eyebrow kit. This is the Hilary Rhoda eyebrow kit. This has a brown, a gray, and a black, and I mixed these three to create my shade. And this is such a good, if you're a beginner, I will request you to start from, or I will recommend you to start from an eyebrow product, eyebrow powder. And eyebrow powders are much more beginner friendly than eyebrow pencil. For eyebrow pencil, I forgot to bring here. You can use the Swiss Beauty one. That is really good. The Blue Heaven one is really good. So for eyeshadows, I was thinking maybe I should recommend just the one. So if you have this one, you are sorted. Your all purpose will be sorted. You don't even need contour, blush, anything. So this is the palette. This is the classic Rose in the Air. So if you want contour, you can mix these two, eyebrows, blushes. So if you have this, you are sorted. Okay, now I have to rush to this video. So, if you want something compact, you can buy these. These are their cord as well. I really love them. And for this one, this is the Walking on Eggshell cord. They have so many colors in this. This one is really nude. So if you're fair to medium, you can try this. And if you are medium to deep, also you can try this. This is Petal-It, and this is a very pretty mauvey, pinky, purpley sort of palette. So if you want a compact something to keep in your purse, really handy dandy, you can try that. Now for colors, I know I was like, should I include a colorful palette? So if you want to learn colors, if you are a beginner, you can try this. The shimmers are really pretty. The mattes are so easy to blend. The shimmers are blinding, almost blinding. So if you want a colorful palette to learn, if you are a beginner, you can try from this one. Honestly, this can beat any high end. I think if you have this, you're sorted. And colorful shadows we don't use on everyday basis. And if you are a beginner, I will recommend start using them as a liner. And this in that way you can incorporate colorful looks without getting intimidated by them. So now I was like skeptical, should I include this in a beginner palette? This is like 1550, so it's an optional thing. This is full of chocolate browns and golds and greens. So if you want a party look, you can go for this one. This is really blinding shimmers and the mattes are really soft. But why I think this is good for beginners, because the shimmers are really blinding and you don't have to build them up. The mattes are so easy to blend. They blend in seconds. So if you want a very beginner friendly, you can wait for a sale. And this is very beginner friendly. That's why I want to include this in this video. So for highlighter, I will recommend you, I have three options. One is a subtle one is medium, one is blinding. So we have this for subtle one. This is by Inside. This was just 200 rupees. And this is the shade Rose Gold. If you want within kind of a glow, you can try this. Cream cheek products in general looks really good, especially for no makeup days. This is also really pretty for your no makeup days. If you will apply this 10 times, still this will look natural. It's not a blinding highlighter. If you want something for everyday basis, you can try that one. Okay, now we have the infamous Wet n Wild Precious Petal. I just love this. This is so good. This can be worn for your no makeup days, even for blinding, party wear. This is such a versatile. This is that's why such a classic product. So if you want blinding highlight, go try this. This is Swiss Beauty one. My came for completely shutter. This is the shade 01. If you want a very blinding effect from your highlighter, you can try this very blinding highlighter. For eyeliner, we have this one. This is the by classic iconic by Lakme. Really good and smudge proof, budge proof, and intense black. So if you want that, you can try that. I have to speak fast because this video is so long. And this is the blue one, their Insta liner range. The black one is jet black. So if you want a black, you can try. My favorite is this one. This is such a pretty royal blue shade. I really like it. And if you want a really inexpensive liner in your collection, this is just 50 rupees. This is by Blue Heaven, and mine is in the shade brown. They have green, blue. You can try them. Any recommendations, and all of them are my favorite. We have the Hyper Curl by Maybelline. If you want curling, length, volume, you can try this. Really good. I use the washable ones. You can try the waterproof ones. And this is the Colossal, the classic. This is so old, in the market, and this is good if you want length and volume. This is good for that. And this is my favorite. This is the Blue Heaven Lash Curling Mascara, and I don't know why nobody talks about it, and it's just 100 rupees or something, and it's so good for everyday basis. So if you want everyday kind of no makeup look, you can try this. Okay, so now for lip liners, we have 3 recommendations. This is the Hilary Rhoda one. This is just 30 rupees. You can get good lip liners in the 50 rupees, I guess. So this is really good. Here we are not talking about shades, we are talking about formulas. So we have next the Swiss Beauty ones, like they are 40 rupees, and these are good liners. And this is Sandy Pink, really pretty pink liner. We are not talking about shades, we are talking about formula in general. And then we have the Miss Clear one. This is 65, but wait for a sale. So if you want good under 500, I will recommend the Lakme one. I've completely used up a shade. This is blush nude, really pretty mauvey nude. So I have completely used up that shade. And if you want under 500, I will recommend that. Comes with luxurious packaging, and the formula is really good. Now if you want some budget recommendation, I will recommend the Blue Heaven one. This is the Walk Free range. Really pretty formula, and it's so inexpensive matte. You can try this dusky nude. You can buy any shade of your choice. I'm just recommending the formulation. So we have this matte look as well. This one was also 100 rupees, and this packaging does not look that cheap, to be honest. Look at that. It has silver packaging, and here we are talking about the formulation. So this is a matte lipstick. It does not have that creamy effect. This will not give you any shine. So if you want a matte lipstick, you can try this. And if you want to have a bold lip in your collection, for a beginner, that can be a intimidating thing. But I think with a nude eye, eyes, really bold lipstick looks really pretty. Creamy matte formula. And this is just 80 rupees. So if you want really inexpensive, the packaging also looks cute, to be honest. Okay, if you want a gloss, so some people like it. I like it because I have dry lips. So these are really pigmented glosses by Insight, only 80 rupees. If you want to try out a gloss and you want to see how they feel and the effect, you can try this. I have a shade called Temptation, really pretty warm nude, and this is a red gloss. I love it. So if you want to add a lip gloss in your kit, you can try them. Okay, Donna, we are at last product. I'm filming this video for 1 hour and I'm so tired, and we are the fixers. So I have just 2 recommendations. I have dry skin, so I prefer Dewy Mist. So this is by Plum. This is their dewy version. They have matte as well. So if you have oily skin, you can try the matte version. So this is really hydrating mist. This will not increase the longevity of your makeup, but if you want a hydrating mist, if you think powders and all the powder products really make you look dehydrated, you can just spritz this throughout the day. Really good. It is just 240 when I bought this, and it's a really good product. And now we have the last product. This is the this makeup fixer by Blue Heaven. This is such a new purchase, and you can see I'm using it. I'm loving it. Look at that. It's really pretty packaging. So it looks so good. See, the packaging also pretty. So this is their dewy glow look silky matte effect one, and it is really good if you have dry skin. This is the spray I have used, and you can see this does not give you matte effect, and your skin will feel moisturized and really soft. So if you want a dewy mist, I think this will also not make your makeup long lasting. I don't know. I just use this when I'm filming videos. This one was also 200 when I bought it on discount. I think this is originally retailing for a much high, but especially for Blue Heaven, check Purple, they always have 50% off. now I will make a beginner's showing my blush brushes. I have really inexpensive brushes, but they perform like so good. But if you want a sponge, I will recommend this. And this is by Blue Heaven, the softest, the squishiest, just for 125 or something. It's really soft, and I have used this today. I love the fact this gives really natural looking. So if you want to a good beauty blender for 100 rupees, you can try this. The availability is an issue. You can try your local stores. On online this get out of stock, so you can buy the inside one. The inside one is not this soft, and this is so good. So that's it, pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video, and I'm sitting here from an hour and I just need to relax now. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. I shall see you in the next one.